Wow. That's amazing. Thank you so much. That's crazy.
It's more than what you were expecting, huh?
Way more than I was expecting. Right after the accident, I contacted J. Alexander Law Firm, and they took good care of me. They checked in with me every week. I was going to therapy for about a month and a half, 3 times a week with the chiropractor. Hi, my name is Luke. I was involved in a 3-car accident. I was rear-ended by one car that was hit by another. So I was the car out in front, and I had no idea I was getting ready to get hit. I was in traffic, and out of nowhere, the back of my car just gets caved in, smashed. So from the accident, I suffered some whiplash on my neck, some trauma to my back, and also the front of my knee hit my steering wheel all pretty violently. So for the next couple of weeks, I was very stiff. I had a lot of pain, and I was pretty much unable to work. I started therapy a week after I did my images. So I was going to therapy for about a month and a half, 3 times a week with the chiropractor. Getting electronic stimulation and also massage therapy for a lot of my strains in my back and neck. So right after the accident, I contacted J. Alexander Law Firm, and they took good care of me. They checked in with me every week. Everything was up to date as far as paperwork, information on the accident. They stayed in contact with me every single week just to make sure that I was doing good.
So today in your pocket is...
Wow. That's amazing. Thank you so much. That's crazy.
It's more than what you were expecting, huh?
Way more than I was expecting.
How do you feel?
I feel just grateful.
Yeah?
Grateful to everybody. Thank you guys so much.
Of course. We try to do our best to get you what you deserve for sure.
Yeah.
Right?
I, Luke, definitely recommend J. Alexander Law Firm to my family, friends, or anyone that was hurt in any accidents or just anyone. They'll truly treat you like family here.